Hi guys, today we are going to let Crookshanks, my kitten, choose what we're going to do, and Dylan is here again. Yeah, so let's get on to that then. Okay, hello, we are back with these. So Crookshanks here is going to be choosing one of these with the treats on, so he'll get one treat, or all of them. And then Crookshanks, they each have a piece of paper under them that say it, so we're going to do that now. So Crookshanks?
Big one. Which one?
21.
The first one.
First one. Okay, Crookshanks, just... What is that? What's that? Baby, it's over there. Okay. Write a play about an imaginary creature. So, I forgot to tell you, there's 3 rounds. This is the first round, what we should do. Then there's what we should eat, and then what we should do again. So, write a play about an imaginary creature.
Let's see what other ones there are.
Yeah, so there was...
Invent a new type of pizza.
And write a list about things you want to do in your future of your life.
That sounds rubbish.
Yeah, that one does. Crookshanks.
Choose the pizza one next time.
No, I should have chosen the pizza one.
Then don't eat it.
Okay. So, write a play about an imaginary creature. Let me just get that. That's the pizza one. Here it is. Write play about an imaginary creature.
Why do I need my shoes on? You can have the Crookshanks.
So,
I don't have my shoes.
Dylan, talk to the camera about your YouTube channel.
Please subscribe to Dylan Collects Coins. Please. DYLAN collects coins. Okay? I show you coins.
What's your other channel, Dylan?
Dylan's Amazing Stop Motion. Right now they've both only got 19 subscribers. I know both of them have 19.
Okay, I got a piece of paper, Dylan moved back. So now we are going to write a play about an imaginary creature. So what's our imaginary creature?
Bob Ross.
Bob Ross is not an imaginary creature.
He's imaginary.
But it's not a
A
creature.
ghost?
No, it's our own imaginary creature. It can't be something existing.
Something like that has this brownish body and legs and then a pumpkin for a head.
I've got an idea. So we can draw it on this side.
Let me try.
No, wait. And then on this side. And then on this side, we actually write the play. And then we'll perform the play to you. So give us a few seconds.
Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to start our play called The Vampire Rabbit.
Well, now we're going to start it. Okay, here you go. Once there was a boy called Dylan. When he was 10, he wandered into the deep, dark woods.
I think that's a haunted house.
Indeed, it was a haunted house, but he still decided to venture in. Creak.
What's that?
I am a vampire bunny. Dylan had been turned into a vampire rabbit. There you go. Hope you liked it. Now we're going to go on to the second thing. And it's about food, so I'll come back in a second. So now we are doing the food. So whichever one Crookshanks picks, we have to eat. There's 2 good ones and 1 bad one. Baby, go.
No.
No. Oh wait, which one?
What is it?
It's the bad one. It's the bad one. Get your tomatoes out. You have to bite into a tomato. Okay, 3. Dylan, sit down. 3, 2, 1. That was disgusting.
Oh my god.
Oh, I don't think I'll ever recover from that. Okay, now guys, now we need to stop. We have to just move on to the next thing.
We need to get some crisps.
See you in a second.
Look at me. That evil tomato did this to me. Ew. Oh, spit in it.
Hi guys, we're back with Crookshanks and it's time for the 3rd round. Stuff we're doing, I guess. So, Crookshanks, yes, you can do it now, baby.
Dude.
You wanted this one?
Phone a friend.
Okay.
I think let's do Francesca.
Yeah, okay, Dylan, I'm going to get you to read these out. I'm going to give you these to Crookshanks and go get my phone. So just talk to the viewers.
There was take a nap.
You glad we're not doing that one?
Yep.
Hey, baby.
I don't like taking naps, so I'm good. And there was listen to music, which is also pretty boring.
Okay, we are back and I got my phone, so we're going to call someone now. So, give me a second. Francesca.
Hi, Crookshanks.
Oh gosh. Stupid software update. Blah, blah, blah. Francesca. Okay, we're calling her. Hello, you are in a YouTube video right now. We have a challenge to call a friend. So, you are in a YouTube video. Francesca's in France right now.
Say hi.
Yeah, so we had the challenge to call a friend from Crookshanks because that's our video idea. So,
Hi, Francesca.
yeah, hi.
Hi, who's from?
Where?
Yeah, she's in France. Talk to the viewers.
Hello, I'm in France right now. We're on the beach in a restaurant and I'm trying to get a quiet spot.
Okay, so
It's in a YouTube video, Tilly. Tilly's here as well.
this is Tilly. She's also in the YouTube video. Okay, so we need to go now. We'll call you back in a second. So we need to go now to finish the video.
Okay.
Bye. In a second. I'll call you back later. Give us 1 second. Okay, that was our last challenge. So, come here back, Dylan. Come back here, Dylan.
That was actually really fun.
So now, I guess it's time we say goodbye. Thank you. Well,